Welcome to my room. Hey guys, so I am back today with a room tour. A lot of people have been asking about it and like wanting me to do one, so I thought today would be a good day to film one. So this is my room, and we're just gonna do like a little tour first off. It's kind of small, but whatever. Anyways, this is my desk area, and my desk lamp, and this has like all kinds of like pencils and stuff. And I'm really OCD, so I have all black everything. And then I have an outlet on it too, which really helps out. And I got this board. It's like a magnet board, silver. I got it from Sam's Club. It's really cool. I really like it. And then this is from IKEA, and this is a line, and you can hang stuff. I did like a blue and green sticker theme, but I did get a Polaroid camera for Christmas, so I'm gonna probably do like pictures up there from now on. And then, so yeah, this is my desk area, and then we're gonna come over here, and this is like my bed, nightstand, and like the back wall. And at first I wanted to do like a Hawaiian themed room, so that's kind of like what this is. So this comforter actually is Hawaiian. I just have it inside out because it was too much. But yeah, so this is my bed, back wall. I have these palm tree decals and this like cool beach sign and stuff. So it like gives you like a beach vibe, like when you're living in the mountains. Love it. Okay. And then over here is my favorite wall of my room. And yeah, it's my photo wall, and I used the same filter on VSCO and did all my photos in one filter and printed them off, and I really love it. It's like amazing. And I did this sign. I wanted to get a neon sign at first for the middle, but I don't know. It was just too complicated. So, but I did get these dope lights from IKEA like 6 months ago, a year ago. I love them, and they're just so easy to turn on and off like that, and then it just lights up the wall, and really cool feature. And then in the last video, like you guys saw, I got this clothing rack from IKEA. This is one of the coolest things I've bought in a long time, and it just, you can just display your like favorite items or just extra room for your closet or whatever. So yeah, I have my favorite items, and I also did like a color theme and palette for the spring and summer. So this is my color theme right now. I'm really into neon clothing right now. So this is my Calabasas shirt, Yeezy. And then I have this like Kappa jacket that I love. This was from Urban Outfitters, and I got a bag to match it, fanny pack, and a belt. So yeah, and then underneath I have like a really cool like setup of these like boxes and stuff. These are also from IKEA, and I really like these. And I have like my vintage like Polaroid camera right there, and this thing's so cool, guys. I love it. And then I have my Air Forces and just like that kind of stuff. And this was just kind of like an artsy wall to like put all my stuff on, and like palm trees. So yeah, my like whole room vibe was to be like good vibes only, kind of like the sign that's like stated there, and just like peaceful, relaxing, and like a cool like gray, black, green, blue colorway. So yeah, that's my room. So as we continue the tour, this is my favorite part of my room. This is my closet, and as most of you know, I am obsessed with clothing, accessories, all of the above. So this is like amazing. I love it. I can't wait to show you guys. So follow me. This is my closet. So over here I have all my shirts and sweatshirts organized by color, mostly because I can like wake up and be like, oh, I want to wear like red today or whatever, and I can just go to my red section or whatever. So I think it's very useful to organize your clothes by color and style and stuff. So this is all my hanging clothes, and I'm going to show you like 3 of my favorite pieces that are up here. What's my favorite? I am obsessed with this jacket. It's an Adidas like windbreaker maybe, I don't know, but it's like super like vintage looking, and that's what I really like about it. So this is one of my favorite. I got it on urbanoutfitters.com Black Friday like 2 years ago. It was like 50% off. It was a really good price. And then honestly, all my like sweatshirts and like hoodies are like my favorite stuff. So this Fila jacket, also Urban Outfitters. I'm obsessed with Urban Outfitters. It's like the coolest store ever. If you guys have never shopped there, I'm gonna add the link in this video and you can go and look around. So yeah, this jacket. Oh gosh. And then I don't know, there's so many options. I do love this lavender champion shirt though. So yeah, so as we go around, so we have hanging sweatshirts and shirts, and then you come down here and we have shoes down here. So yeah, I have like my Ultra Boost, which are the comfiest shoe on earth. You guys like should really like look into buying them. And then these Nike 97 Air Maxes, they're like so cool. I got these like a Christmas or 2 ago, and I really like them. And then just other random shoes and stuff. And then up here starts my accessories, and I have my Crep Protect for my shoes and my shoe freshener. These are really useful, and that Crep Protect will get everything off. And I love my shoes like clean and crisp, so it like works out perfect. And then up here I have Adidas fanny packs in 3 different colors. I have a red, yellow, and a blue. They like dropped like a year and a half ago, and I was like, they were only like $20, $15, and I was like, I didn't know what color, so I was just like, I'll just get all of them, but I might like resell them or whatever. But yeah, so those are those. And then I got this red backpack up here, and if you go to my school, you obviously know I have a red tracksuit, so I like to switch out my backpacks for different outfits to make it like look cool, and this is like one of my favorites. And then I have this black Adidas backpack, and that was my old school backpack, and now I have a new one, but it's in my car right now, so. And then up here is my carry-on suitcase. This is Swiss Gear. I got it at Target, and it has a portable charger built into it, and it has a lock. So you can like lock your suitcase so nobody can get in. So I love this. And then up here I have my Yeezy Wave Runners. These are like the dopest shoe I've ever seen in my life. And Yeezys are like really hard to get, or they were. I mean, they're a little easier now. But these are like my favorite pair that he's like ever released. So I was really happy when I got them. So that's those. Super cool and just different. And they're so chunky and fat, and that's what I love about them. Then up here, I just got this bag in the mail, and it's a holographic Zara bag. And this thing is like insane, guys. It's like to die for. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm gonna have to find something. So you guys might have saw on my story a couple weeks ago, I had the Louis holographic bag, and I like want that bag so bad, but it's just so expensive and so rare that this one is just a better like mimic or whatever. And then right here, oh gosh, on this shelf I have my Supreme duffel bag and my Supreme fanny pack. These are really like dope bags just to carry around when you need. And I have a Supreme hat. Never have worn it. The tag's still on it because flat bills just don't look good on me. And then right here I have my Abercrombie colognes, and these are like really good and they're pretty cheap for the price and stuff. Then right here is my Louis Vuitton backpack, and my shout out to my grandparents. They got it for me for my 16th birthday, and I've been obsessed ever since. So I like to keep everything on display, so then when you come in, it's like you see it and it's not like just hiding, because I only use this for like special occasions. Like I would never take that to school or anything. And then here I have my sunglass case, and this is where I store all my sunglasses and aviators and stuff. And yeah, so I can just like open it up and like pick out which one I want, and it keeps them protected and displayed at the same time. And then, oh my god, I'm out of here. Down here, I hang my pants or bottoms. So like in the spring and summer, I'll hang my shorts, because I like to like grab like pants, and I can just grab a shirt up here and I can hold it up and match it and see what it would look like. And it keeps them nicer when they're just hung and not like folded. So let's hang that back up. Okay. And then, so yeah, I have all my pants. I buy my denim from Hollister. I really like the stuff that they have. This is Hollister, you know. And then I have like my Adidas sweatpants. I have an Adidas tracksuit in black and red, because they're super comfy and stylish, which is so nice. Then right here is where I keep all my dress shirts and sweaters. So yeah. And then this is my favorite sweater. Shout out to Cole for this. This is like so dope. I love this so much. So yeah, love that. And then I have my vest and my Champion brown sweatshirt. Champion hoodies, guys, are like the warmest thing and comfiest thing you could ever wear. Like they're so nice. So I love that. And they're stylish, of course. And then this is my fur coat that I got this winter, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so nice, but it's kind of hard to wear it because you have to go to like somewhere fancy. Like I'm not gonna go to McDonald's. I'm dead. And then I got this Michael Kors winter jacket. It's just kind of like a little puffer and stuff. And then my Hollister winter coat right there. So yeah, that's this part of the closet, and I just, again, like to hang almost everything. Like I hang all pants, all shirts, everything, because I want to see it when I come in. And if you hang them, they're not wrinkled and stuff. So I recommend that for sure. And then up here, bags and stuff. And yeah, so this is my closet tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed my room and closet tour. I just want to say I'm so blessed for everything I have, and I work really hard, and I just wanted to show you guys that hard work does pay off, and you can like get somewhere if you like work hard and achieve your goals. And I have been working really hard, and if you don't know, I do work at Target, so come and see me. You know, but yes, I'm obsessed with my room, and I spent a lot of time designing it and thinking of things to do with it. So I'm glad you guys wanted to see, and I hope you liked it. So if you liked it, go like the button down below, subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting more videos soon. So bye guys.